Hi, everyone, and welcome to this course introduction for MHA647, Health Data, Privacy, and Security. It is the second bi-term in the spring 2024 semester. It's actually Wednesday, March 13th. Right now, this is Kevin Valadares. Going to go through a short little recording, talk to you about the course, content, expectations, along with some introductions. So first, I'm just going to introduce a new instructor in the MHA program, Dr. Jennifer Skelton. Jenny just started recently in the MHA program. She has an introduction as well for you. She will thrilled. First of all, I'm thrilled that she's joined the MHA program. And for many of you, because you're on the tail end of completing your MHA degree, you might not have her as an instructor in the future, but she'll be involved in this course. So that's why two names appear here. Um, I'll take the lead in this course for this bi-term, and I think I know everyone in the course, and you know me, but I'm glad you'll also get to work with Jenny. So let me tell you a little bit about the course. In the course introduction, of course, we'll start with the syllabi for the course. This is part of the MHA program in our health informatics uh, specialty concentration. And it really focuses on a variety, it will focus on a variety of health data from the privacy and security. I would probably say more so from the privacy perspective, not just within electronic health records, but really diving deep into some very practical aspects. I would say some much more modern aspects of health data. We go beyond the bounds of sort of the acute care hospitalization, even outpatient care, to look at how health data within the public sphere is also looked at, health data, health information. We're going to look at a variety of things. I'll go through the calendar in a second, although you can check it out, just in terms of where it fits into some big picture ideas from ethical issues to privacy, specifically HIPAA, really going deep with that as well. Um, this is a Wednesday today. All the information will be communicated on Wednesday. The course assignments will do Wednesday. And again, it's a 7-week course, so it moves pretty quickly. There's no textbook for the course, as with all MHA courses now. And certainly there'll be different information being used from our online databases as well. Really want to make this course very, very practical. And so, in addition to some introductory stuff that I'll cover, there are really three main activities that you will tackle individually. Everyone will complete these individually. A HIPAA deep dive, mobile health or wearables, assignment looking at privacy and security, and finally a user data privacy analysis. We'll talk about that in a little bit. You can see the grading methods and of course the grading scale, which is consistent for all MHA classes and graduate school classes as well. In addition, there is some policies on this website. Let me close out of here. And so you can see it. Course and university policies, you can have access to it. I'd like to go through the course calendar with you, which is really sort of a day, week by week summary of everything. So the course runs from today. It actually closes on Saturday, April 27th, which is when the last assignment is due. You can see the topics. We will run from Wednesday to Wednesday. The first assignment, two assignments, you've all now done a whole bunch of student introductions on VoiceThread. Like you still complete that with a VoiceThread presentation, introducing yourself. There's a little bit of a caveat as well, where not only introducing yourself, your background, but also I'd like you to explore a website that some of you might not be familiar with and just provide your perspective. It's called Talkspace. Um, it is really become a very formidably popular site, a location for individuals to access mental health. And so we'll go through that in a little bit. And then there is a data privacy survey for all of you to complete, both by Wednesday, March 20th. The data data privacy survey um, looks at a number of different questions. First of all, it's all anonymous as well because there's so few of you in the course. But this will reappear in terms of the final presentation as well. Um, but the survey comes from, it's already a tested survey. Like you to complete it, and then we will be using these results through this semester. So, need to get out of this one again. Um, okay, so information certainly about Jenny will be available in the same slot where I'm asking all of you to introduce yourself. So, the introduction, I think you've done this before. Please feel free to introduce yourself professionally and personally. But then I'd like you to respond to two questions. What do you hope to learn in the course, which I think you've done in many of your courses? And then the second question is really about Talkspace. Please go to the website for Talkspace. And I'd like you to provide your initial insights about or initial impression of health data, privacy, and security relative to Talkspace. Please include that in as the second response in your introduction. And of course, all of the process for completing that is right here. The content for the week, of course, as you know how that works, will be in content with a short YouTube video and then also readings, links, and any assignments. This is actually the health data privacy survey that I was mentioning. It's also available in assignments. It'll only take you no more than 5 minutes to complete. We'll only be talking about the total results, but as I said, this will be factored into your final presentation as well. Okay, folks, so I am really glad that you're here and that we're going to be ready to roll with this course. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks very much. Appreciate it.